friends, we've got something special for you today. 2 meals in one. We're going to be visiting Mexico and preparing a spicy chili con carne. And then we're going to visit our friends in Italy and make a Ragu Bolognese sauce. Why not? Come with me. Venga, vamos. Let's get cooking. Olive oil to the pan. Using a good quality lean minced beef. Get it into the pan. Whoa. While that's cooking down a little, chop up your onions. Peel and chop 2 onions. Finely chopped onions to the pan. Stir, 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 stir. We all live such busy lives these days, and if you can prep up bulk cooking, 2 of the best things to bulk are these 2 dishes. I'm going to go off-piste a little bit with these recipes. I'm going to use this freshly picked courgette from Almeria. Look at the freshness. Look at the juices coming out of this courgette. Let's add it to the pan. Remember, this is bulk cooking, so 2 beef stock cubes to some tomato fritto. Look at that, with olive oil to the pan. Look at that. A top tip, look what's left in the tin. Add some water. Now you should be able to get most of those residual parts out. But look. There you go. That's not bad. Waste not, want not. Clean as you go, friends. A clean kitchen is always a happy kitchen. Go in with some humble garlic, a great anticoagulant, great for thinning the blood. They say it helps to reduce the risk of both heart attacks and strokes. Maybe that's why people in the Mediterranean live healthier and for longer. We all know it can be a pain to cut and peel your garlic. That's why I use this handy little garlic crusher. Bob's your uncle and Fan is your aunt. Garlic in, give it a stir. Hey friends, do me a favour, if you're enjoying the channel, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and I can notify you of any more recipes, Spanish adventures I'd love to be sending your way. Now we want to bring this bad boy to the boil. It smells divine. I wish we had smelly vision. Now's the time to cover this bad boy up, reduce the heat, and let it slow cook for about half an hour. Remember, you don't have to be living in the Mediterranean to cook Mexican or Mediterranean food. Let's see how we're getting on. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is where the magic's gonna happen. We're gonna make 2 dishes with 1 dish. Chilies, 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 here we are. Red hot chili peppers. These are dried chili peppers. Cut them up and add them into the pan. As you can see, chili flakes and seeds are in the pan. Red kidney beans. Alubias rojas. Red chili beans into the pan. No chili con carne would be the same without red kidney beans. I know we can be titivating these recipes, but they're made to be quick and easy. It's for busy people with busy lives. Using the ladle, place some of the sauce on top of the red kidney beans. Stir, behold, a beautiful chili con carne. Chili con carne means literally chili with meat. Now, if you made a vegetarian one, it would be chili sin carne, which would mean chili without meat, and you can replace the meat with lentils. Beautiful, no? So let us leave Mexico with the chili con carne and visit Italy. Here we have the Bolognese Ragu sauce. Oregano. Stir. And here you have 2 mighty fine homemade dishes with minimal effort and full of flavour. There you go. Bob is your uncle, Fan is your aunt. Handy storage containers. Now let's decant the Bolognese first. Waste not, want not. Handy little tip. Use one of these spatulas to scrape up every single morsel. As because you've put the effort in to prepare it, why do you want to just throw it down the sink? Every little helps. Friends, do me a favour, if you're enjoying the channel, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe. Now the good thing about these dishes, they're so excellent to freeze. You know that you've got no chemicals in them or any nasties. You just put the lids on, get them out of the freezer, and then when you come home from work, you've got a ready meal ready. Thanks for tuning in, and I really, really appreciate your company. See you next time. Venga, hasta luego. Adios.